Now student, let us have a very simple question and very important question to understand the mode. First of all, let me tell you the basic meaning of mode. You might have been studying in the lower classes. If for example 5, 6, 5, 7, 5. See, in this simple data 5 is repeating. The most occurring value is 5. So the mode of this data is equal to 5. Very simple. Okay student, you have been studying in the lower classes, but in this classified data we have to do the work step by step. So for this classified data, see, the question is what? The heights of the plants are classified. These are the heights and these are number of the plants. For example, 130 centimeter to 140 centimeter, 8 plants are there. 150 to 160 centimeter, 20 plants are there. 120 to 130 centimeter, 2 plants are there. So we have to calculate the mode, or we can say the modal class. So for this, step number 1, we have to locate the modal class. Modal class. See, what is the meaning of modal class? Modal class means that class having the maximum frequency. In this data, the maximum frequency is 20. So this is our modal class. I am writing here, this is our modal class. Okay student, 150, 160. So you will write here our modal class is equal to 150-160. Okay student. Now next step is to locate the corresponding frequency of modal class. Corresponding frequency of the modal class is 20. We will denote by F1. Okay student. And the frequency preceding the modal class. Preceding the modal class means just before the modal class frequency is FO. And succeeding the modal class, after the modal class frequency is F2. Okay student. So you will write this all in the second step. FO or F0 is 12 and F1 is 20 and F2 is 8. Okay student. And next one, third step is class size. What is the class size here? The difference is 10. So H is equal to 10. We will denote by H. Now let us solve this one. So the formula of the mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay student, this is the formula. L plus F1 minus FO upon 2F1 minus FO minus F2. Now we'll put here the values. L means lower limit of that modal class. Lower limit of modal class is 150. So we will write here 150, lower limit of the modal class. So let me write here on this side. So mode is 150 plus F1. F1 is 20 minus FO. FO is 12 upon 2 into F1. 2 into F1 means 2 into 20 minus FO again is 12 minus F2 is 8 in bracket multiply by H means 10 is our class size. See here properly students. Don't make any mistakes, any calculation errors. So now it is very easy to calculate. 150 plus this is 8, 40, 20 into 2 40 minus 20 upon 20 into 10. See, very easy. I have written directly 40 minus 12, 8, 20, 40 minus 20, 20. So this is cancelled. So finally the mode will be 150 plus 2 4 ja 8 means 154. So our answer mode is 154. You can write mode or modal height. model height of the plant. So what does it mean? See, you should understand the practical meaning of the mode. What is the meaning of, what is the significance of mode? It means that in that plantation area or in the park, there are maximum plants of height 154 centimeter. Listen, very important. There are maximum plant of size 154 centimeter. So let us have the median in the same question. Now student, let us see the median in the same question. First, let me explain you what is the meaning of median. Median means middlemost value. Mode was the most occurrent value. Median is the middlemost. A middlemost means, suppose this is a 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So in between these data, 5 is the middlemost. If we are arranging in the increasing or decreasing order, so which one is a middle at mid, that is a median, middlemost value. Now let us see the same in classified data. Which data are classified? Now we have to find the median in this data. So for median, let us have some step. Step number 1, we have to form the cumulative frequency table. This is called the CF in short. Cumulative frequency means collected frequency. This 2, so means cumulative of these two is 2 plus 8, 10. What does it mean? Listen, it means for these two group frequency is 10. For these two, 120 to 140, 120 to 140 centimeter, there are 10 plants. Because 120 to 130 there are 2 plants, 130 to 140 there are 8 plants, but in between 120 to 140 there are 2 plus 8. So 10 plus 12. Now let us move ahead. So this is 22, this is 42, and 42 and 8, 50. And total is 50, you know it. If you total it, it will come with 50. Means 120 to 170, total plants are 50. What does it mean from 120 to 150? 22 plants. Because for this class interval there is 2. For this 10. For this 22. We will add this all. So this is called the collected frequency, collective frequency. Okay student. So this we required. Now listen, our first step is over. Means cumulative frequency is over. So after cumulative frequency, for calculation, let us have a first step, median class. For median class, students, you have to calculate n upon 2. N means total frequency upon 2, that is 25. So we have to locate where is 25. If exactly 25 is there, so that corresponding will be median class. But there is not exactly 25. So we will find out where 25 lie. In 22 it will not lie, but just greater than 25, we will find out just greater than 25 is 42. So this will be the corresponding median class. Okay student. Now for this one you have to locate L, median class. The lower class is 150, and second step you have to locate the CF of the preceding the class of median class. Median, just before the median class, the preceding cumulative frequency is 22. Okay student. And in this same step you have to calculate, you have to write the frequency of the corresponding class. Corresponding means median class frequency is 20. The median class frequency is 20. Okay student. A cumulative frequency you have to locate prior to this median class, just prior. This is a median class, just prior cumulative frequency, but frequency is same corresponding to that class. And H, you know, H is same, that is 10. Now let us have the formula of median. Median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Okay student, see it. Don't confuse in between the mode and median. L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now I will put the values. This is 150, lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class 150 plus n by 2. N by 2 means what? 25 minus CF. CF is 22, of which CF? Just preceding this median class, preceding, not the same CF. Listen, don't do the mistake. The median class is 150 to 160, just preceding this cumulative frequency is 22 upon frequency same. Frequency not preceding or succeeding, frequency same is 20 and into H. Into H means that is 10. So this will be 150 plus this is 3 upon 20 into 10. 25 minus 22, this is 3 upon 20 into H. So this will be cancelled. Finally it will be 150 plus 3 upon 2 means 1.5 means 151.5 is the median. Okay student, 151.5 is a median. So what is the meaning? What is the meaning of this one? What this value interpret? What is the significance of this value? It means that the middlemost plant is of height 151.5 centimeter, middlemost plant. It means 50% plants are the less than this height and 50% of the plants are more than of this height. So student, this was the complete explanation of the mode and median by the same question. Do it practice. If any other doubt, write in the comment box.